Being obese is a shame to most people, especially when they feel embarrassed. People sometimes don't know why their body is getting obese, and that's what happened to me. For most of my life I tried to lose weight. Yes, if you are watching this video, I believe that the same happens with Vochi. In addition to the health problems I had, I was caught by a great depression, the lack of joy, body pains, high blood pressure and diabetes continued. I stopped wearing clothes that I wanted to buy not fit in my body, and I was sinking into the daily greasy food. Combat today I'll tell you how I changed my life by losing tens of pounds of fat. I also want to give you 2 important alerts about SlimCore Gummies Detox. I know this SlimCore review video will help you a lot. First thing you need to know about SlimCore review is, be careful with the website you're going to buy SlimCore Gummies Detox from, because SlimCore Gummies is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is SlimCore Gummies Detox? Does SlimCore work? Yes, SlimCore is a weight loss formula made in a unique formulation method that addresses the actual cause of weight gain. Includes special ingredients that naturally strive to achieve slimming results. The following ingredients were used in the creation of SlimCore Gummies: raspberry ketones. These are a group of natural ketones obtained from the organic raspberry plant that help maintain ketosis. Apple cider vinegar. This ingredient, rich in various natural and organic components, is mainly used for weight loss. Green coffee. The primary objective of green coffee is to remedy obesity quickly and to provide one with much-needed internal body cleansing. Glucomannan. This is an extract produced from a well-known herbal plant that is beneficial in treating obesity. Lemon extract. Lemon is popular in its natural and raw form to reduce undesirable body fat and accumulation. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with SlimCore Gummies Detox, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test SlimCore Gummies Detox for 90 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for SlimCore Gummies Detox to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, 2 pills, one in the morning after waking up on an empty stomach and the other in the evening, right before bed with warm water, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, SlimCore Gummies Detox has no side effects since it is natural. So, I wanted to record this video SlimCore review, first to tell you to be careful with the website you are going to buy SlimCore Gummies Detox from, and also, if you do buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video SlimCore Gummies reviews helped you, and I also hope that SlimCore Gummies Detox actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes.